guys again. We started catching some Yellowtail and Dorado. Beautiful fish. We come back. Come on, fish. Bite. Bite in. Oh, yeah, lost it. Damn, I lost it.
Fresh one!
Kahane куда, блин?
Hey, yo, back up. Oh, shit. Oh, Dorado right there, Dorado. Damn. Holy shit, there's hell with Dorado all the way here. This is fine. My freaking sardines are flying. All the way.
Killer girl, you gotta go to the corner.
Damn, they're all around the gill. You do not have to be so bunched up at all. Go down the corner right now.
You guys gotta follow your lines, guys. Wind in your face. You're all tangled up. You gotta follow your lines.
Oh, fish on. Ooh, oh, it's gone.
Alright, you gotta do the live bait. Watch out, watch out. Wait, where's the wind?
On the other side.
Fish on. Oh, they're gone again. What the heck? Fish on. Yeah, fishy. Woohoo! Fish on.
Alright, coming in. Coming in.
Fish on. Yeah, and then there's a kuchica.
Ask him what the number is. What's the number?
Something.
If you guys are not getting bid, don't be doing what I'm doing.
А, мене за це келп застряла, ё-моё, риба.
Is that your line?
No, my fish under.
Pull your line up a bit. Yeah, yeah.
Go up or down? Away. Fish on.
First one! Follow your lines, guys. Good. You waited a lot there.
Чуть-чуть.
Bro, I barely got my...
Fresh one! Coming over! Yeah, well, let me go over again. You looking at my belly? Yeah, belly.
Вот так. Oh, oh,
The rod sits straight out. Don't follow the kid.
Oh,
What pound test do you think?
25. Oh, I have hooks. It's split out. Sean, fish under. Under. Up. Fish on. Fish on.
Go under. I did.
There you go back.
Back under. Back under.
Like halfway back. I didn't know grab and dig.
Follow your lines, guys. Come on. It's way lower.
I know.
Where I am. No, наоборот. Поднись, сюда.
Вот я подал.
Oh, come on. My fish here.
Start walking down.
See my fish.
Keep your fish right in front of you guys. Walk down, walk down. Walk down. Oh, no. Line's right here, okay? Switch now, switch now, switch now. Switch again. There you go. Right.
See color? Yeah. Number 2. Yes. Okay. Give me my hook back.
There you go.
Number 2. Number 2. It's big.
Fresh one.
Whew. Fish on.
Coming under, coming under, coming under. Coming under over here.
Yeah, let's kill him right here, huh? You go that way, go that way. Fish on right there. I go this way. We go this way.
Guys, white spectra.
Oh. Fish on.
Ivan, where's your line? Ivan, where's your line?
What the heck?
One more coming up with you, Robert. Oh, back down. I put a little bit more try on the spinner fish. Come on down. You gotta come down. You gotta come down. You gotta come down. Follow that fish. Keep it right out in front of you at all times.
Fish on.
I got you, like right here.
Oops.
Quick.
I don't want the fish break my line. It's only 20 pounders.
That long?
Where you go?
Let me go under you. Let me go under you.
Do not go to the clan. Oh damn! My fish all the way. Shit! It's big fish. It's big fish. Oh, God.
Your line's looking like all the way over there. You're looking over.
Yeah, man, do not go there. Shit. I wanna be tight. I will lose already 2 fish.
Затягни трохи.
Та я затягую, воно і обриває. У мене 20-ка. You know?
What number?
Damn it.
Let me run from this fish.
A boil right there.
I need gap. Huh? Gap coming in. Gap over here. Color coming in right behind you. What number are you at? Gotcha. 7.
Ой, дай мене перекину. Назад, назад. Fish right here? Oh, not here yet. А ну. Нет, леску подними. Удочку, быстро, туда леску. Ну, она за леску, наоборот, такой. Она там, вон. Вон она, вон, это у меня за крючком. Thank you, buddy. Now, number 2.
Hey guys, look at that, how many fish. Nice, beauty. Show me.
What happened? Everybody listened when we were fishing tuna. Now it's like a fucking free-for-all. It's cutthroat out here, Brad. Throwing each other off and shit.
Watch the rods, guys.
Guys, we just lost like 3 fish that we should not have
Fresh
lost.
one! Yeah, buddy!
Come on over. Go over. Look at this.
Go over.
Hey, where are you, Ollie?
Me? I don't know. That side, I think. Yeah. This side now.
Fresh one! You're under me, David?
You gotta be nice.
Yeah, I'm the top. Ну, кайся.
Fish coming from here.
Come on down to the corner.
Follow your line.
Аж куда ж ты тянешь, да? It's crazy fish. Go there.
Fresh one! On the program!
God, come on.
Hey, fish coming up over here. Under. Come on. Under.
Follow your lines, guys. Follow your lines. Under.
Back dollar here. Wait. Hey, who's on me? Go. Who's that? Reel up. Slack.
Осторожно. Fish on.
Fish on.
Fish on right there.
Spread out, guys. We got a whole boat.
Guys, between. Oh, this side, Oleg.
Coming in right behind you. Stop at his base here. Let the boat. There's a lot of fish on this one. Come on over, you gotta go down. You gotta follow that thing. No holding angles right now.
Over.
No angles, no tangles. Simple and plain. Go down there, start walking it to your left.
Yeah.
Guys, maybe try the anchovies. The anchovies been getting bit all day. You gotta stay right on top of it. You guys are so close. I'm just standing by the grab it on.
It's right here.
Bread.
Color right
One,
there.
yes, keep winding, keep winding. Wind. Get the handle. These fish will tangle if you don't. Nice and easy. Jesus Christ. You're good. You're fucking hitting them hot, dude. That fish is not ready to die yet.
Woohoo! Yeah. Number 2. Oh. What? Що є так? Hey, go, fishy. Go away. Damn, you don't wanna go?
Come on down. Alright. I got him. I got him, friend? Yeah, I'll get the other one. You're like, fuck. You're good.
Nice, beauty fish.
Alright, everybody out. Hey guys, everybody.
Fish on.
Oh yeah, bring them in here. Get the gas, Brad. Big gas. Cameron, can you make us a seaweed salad?
I'm on.
Fresh one, huh?
Is that a jig?
Yeah!
Watch him on. No.
Go to the left. You gotta come over.
Go over. Hell yeah.
Oh. It's nice one. It's a big one.
You're good right there.
Oh,
What the hell happened?
the track is too
Walk
tight.
downtown. Dude, that's light. It's still light.
That's sardine.
You got 40 on there now?
No. Okay, I follow the fish.
Go, 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 go.
Follow
go,
the
go,
fish.
Go, go.
Look. No, bro. Oh, you can see.
Yeah, it's hard to get up this one out.
Coming over, coming over.
That's big.
When you're walking through.
Walking through. Ah, this is big fish. This is big fish. This fish stands in the one spot.
Okay, guys, we're done fishing. We go home now. We're fishing 2.5 days. We take whole boat, our guys, our crew, and we got a really beautiful fish. We got limit bluefin tuna, 18 people, and plus crew, 4 people. It's a lot of fish. Everybody have 4 fish. We got bunch Yellowtail and Dorado. Hey guys, it's a really nice day. Have your fishing trip? Yeah. How about you?
Oh, I loved it. Yeah.
You ready for next year?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, cool. Have your guys fishing trip?
Oh, amazing. Fantastic.
You guys snags are ready for next year?
Oh, yeah. Get Mark.
Yeah, Danny.
Mark wants to
You go.
Okay.
How about you?
I'm ready. I'm ready, bro.
Nice.
He was working.
Have your fishing day trip?
I don't want to talk about it. Horrible. Horrible.
Horrible?
Bro, I only got 2 yellowtail. Suck.
You ready for next year?
Bluefin? Hands down.
Hey Cap, thanks for fishing.
No problem.
Are you ready when we come back?
Oh yeah, you guys
Yeah?
are awesome. Absolutely.
Yeah, we come back next year.
Next year. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I am here.
Hey boss,
What's happening?
thank you for fishing.
Of course.
It's really good.
Thank you, thank you.
We're happy. Everybody happy.
Thank you. No, it's good.
Thank you, cook.
Yes, sir.
It's good food. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next time.
Yeah.
See you next year.
Hell
The
yeah.
same trip.
Sounds good.
Make sure we can more big one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for the fishing. Huh?
Good job.
Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, we do really good. Together, the one group is awesome. How about you guys? Are you happy
Absolutely.
with the fishing trip?
Yeah.
You ready for next year?
Trip, we're coming back next year.
We're coming back next year, yeah.
Goal is to get bigger,
Bigger and bigger, always bigger. And we try reach the catch a bigger one.
I got 7,
Mark.
but they're all 50 to 100 pounds.
Yeah, it's nice fish. Nice fish, beautiful ocean, beautiful weather. Look at that. Look at that sexy yellowtail right here. Yeah. How many pounds right here? That's crazy. These beauty fish, guys. Dorado, the big one. It's still alive, see? Wow, crazy. Look at that, guys. It's full of fish. And another side. Damn. Кто? Ел
Я
покойно.
одну такую маленькую словил.
А мне не, у меня все такие именно. Look at that, guys. The sexy fish right here. Ну да, жалко. Что?
Большую я да.
Ну большую я.
Да, ты будешь
Yo, guys, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful boat. Bluefin tuna. Yellowtail and Dorado. Yeah. We're killing, huh? We kill it.
Oh, so they called in yesterday with only 4.
They had like 35 over.
Beauty, huh? О, це вже поставили. Number 5. Yeah, this is cool.
What it weigh, you know?
It's around 200.
Nice, where we at, Sam? Right there?
Yep.
A lot of boats out
Well, yeah, it's all. We got a limit for 2 days.
there. Oh, good.
We're killing them.
Killed it. Yeah, now that's great. Good fishing.
Look at that, guys. Damn, it's beauty. Just fit for cooler, right?
Наверное, не знаю, если
Cement, yeah, we take home. I take home, I think. Yeah.